Welcome to Better Living, Sun Safety 101, How to Use Sunscreen and Sunblock Effectively. Sun protection is important for skincare and overall health. UV radiation from the sun can cause sunburn, premature aging, and skin cancer. Sunscreen and sunblock are the two main types of sun protection products. Sunscreen absorbs or reflects UV radiation, while sunblock physically blocks it from reaching the skin. The type of product chosen depends on individual needs and preferences. Look for a sunscreen with SPF 30 and labeled as broad spectrum. Apply sunscreen or sunblock to all exposed skin and reapply every 2 hours or after swimming/sweating. Use at least 1 ounce of sunscreen to cover the body. Other measures to protect skin from the sun include seeking shade, wearing protective clothing, and sunglasses. Be mindful of ingredients in sun protection products, especially for those with sensitive skin. No sun protection product provides 100% protection, so a combination of methods should be used. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.